Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Monday December the 23rd, we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. I see here in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5. So no 5 in these two boxes. I see there are 5. So no 5 in this box. The only place for the 5 should be here. Then an 8 in this row. An 8 in the last row. So in the row above, the only two places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 4, 8, and 9. I see here an 8, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 should be here or there. The same as it's number 9. We have here the 9, so no 9 there. So the 9 should be here or there. So we have a pair 9 and 8, 9 and 8. And one box is left for the number 4. So we have an 8 in this first row in one of these boxes. Then let's see, 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in that row, the only two places for 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then what can I do? The 2, 2. Yes, in this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 8, and 9. I cannot put the 8 here. We have an 8 there. I cannot put the 8 here because we have an 8 over there. So the only place for the 8 should be here. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Here one number left is number 9. Then yes, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in this column, the only two places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. I see there 9, so no 9 in this box. Only place for the 9 should be here. One number is missing in this column for the number 2. 4 in this row, column, 4 in that column. So in this column, the only 2 places for 4 is here or there. Same for the number 2, 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in this column, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there. So we have a pair, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. That means 1 box is left for this big square. The number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column next, the only place for 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers for this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 3, 9 and 3. Need to wait for more information. Let's see what we can do. Yes, we have also a pair here, I see. In this big square, we have a 6 and a 7 there. So no 6 and 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 and a 7 there. So no 6 and 7 in these 2 boxes. The only 2 boxes left for the 6 and the 7 should be here or there. So we have a pair, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. That means 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 8 should be here, because this box and that box is reserved for the 6 and the 7. We have a pair, 2 boxes left for 6 and the 7. So this must be an 8. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for an 8 is here, here or there. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Yes, these 3 missing numbers, because those 2 are 6 and 7. These 3 are the numbers 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. I see here 2 and 3. So no 2 and 3 here. The 2 and the 3 should be there. So 1 number is left. 1 is missing. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. 1 and here 2 and 3. I see here 3. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so on the column next, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then yes, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. The numbers are 2 and 5. I see here a 5. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. We have also a pair here, because I see here 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. The same with the 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there. So we have a pair 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means these 2 boxes are reserved for the 9 and the 3. 9 and a 3, 9 and a 3, 9 and a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 there. So this must be a 9, and this must be a 3, and this must be a 9. 9 in that row, 9 in this row, so in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. Yes, 3. I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 3 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Here we have 2 and 5, 2 and 5. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. I see here 6 now, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 5. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 and 2. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 7 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 4 and 4 and 2. 4 and 2, 4 and 2, 4 and 2. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 4 and 2. These 2 numbers for this row for the numbers 9 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 3, 9 and 3. Need to wait, need to wait. Let's see. 6 in the 3rd row. 6 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 3 places for 6 is here, here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. I see there 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the 1st row for the numbers 4 and 2. 4 and 2, 4 and 2. A lot of pairs, 4 and 2. Anyway, I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. 4 and 2. These 2 numbers for the 3rd row for the numbers 9 and 7. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the 3rd column, so in the column between the 2nd column, the only 2 places for 7 is here or there. I see a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the last row. The numbers are 5 and 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 in the 1st column, 1 in the 3rd column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the 2nd row for the numbers 5 and 3. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 5 in the 3rd column, 5 in the 1st column. So in the 2nd column, the only 2 places for 5 is here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 missing number in this row is for the number 2. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and 4 is missing in these two boxes. So in the first column we have also 2 missing numbers. The 3 and the 4 are missing. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there and the 4 goes there. 1 missing box in this big square for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers 4 and 2. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 2. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. So we finished this in 15 minutes. Alright people, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel, or you can download the PDF file so you can solve it by yourself. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.